Taj money.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, man.
beat.
Hey, what's crazy? Take it or leave it. What's the game? Look. Since a youngin', I've been thuggin', bitch, and I can't hide that. Run up in your house like fuck it, show me where them pies at. Even though when niggas snaked each other, I survived that. A couple niggas with that shit, I was really surprised at. Little bitch ass nigga, where the fucking pride at? How you say that hoe, she suck dick like she can't deny that. Before I go, I kill her, oh, you know I can't deny that. And I ain't worried about the weed no more, my bro supply that. Gotta watch these niggas, cause I can't trust nobody. I been dealing with betrayal, shit, I feel like yo guy. That's why I keep this 45 Beretta right here beside me. This for any nigga bluffing, shooting, ain't no decide. I can't put my trust in no nigga who fuck with the odds. Let a nigga think he robbing, bitch, I'm up in this clock. Bitches operate these niggas, I ain't going like that. Cause I can't change over no hoe, cause I wasn't born like that. I'ma mind my fucking business, cause I'm just trying to change. When I get on, I take the ones who's with me stuck in the rain. Feel like I died when I first seen a nigga shot in his brain. But I survived and I realized that shit was just all a dream. Yeah, smoking J's back to back, cause I'm sick of waiting. Trying to follow a dream, but I'm getting impatient. Trying to get out the mud, but my mind racing. And my daughter growing fast, it feel like time racing. Every time we separate, it feel like time taken. And I promise you can have it all if I make it. Stuck in the past, but I lost so much it hurt my heart. And I can't even explain myself, cause I don't know where to start. Cold hearted, so I can't let nobody rip me apart. I met a chick, and her body was like a work of art. Trying to get over all the pain the last couple years, but I was scared to death and got over my fucking fears. I ain't gon' preach like it's a good thing, all the shit I did. I wish my bro could hear these songs, that's the shit I miss. We ride around, right or wrong, that's the shit he taught me. A couple bitches that I used to love try to show me. I never had a situation where they try to extort me. And if it's beef, get put to sleep, shout out my nigga 40.
Coolest mountain cliffs now, but I remember ducking. Consider dog the best way I could for repercussions. Booyah and Mary Jane was it's the finest, so she luscious. Lost baby boy, the natural cause, now I can't even function. When life involves materialistic shit don't mean nothing. Remember rolling with some hitters, cock your top just like a pumpkin. 21 donut, but the niggas don't work for Dunkin'. 21 on the spur of the moment, feeling like Dunkin'. The devil's back when the block was on steroid, hamstrings jumping. And if you ain't no hustler, then the damn thing gon' be pumping. OG kept the ladder, sticks, Mac beat you up like it's drumming. Rain, sleet, or snow, posted up, wasn't no running. Unravel these chapters, not the morning after. Act on it right now, my nigga, family matters. Pain through my eyes, redder than some blood splatter. Couldn't find employment, THC up in my bladder. Even though they label me a thug, can't cry victim. Took so many L's, so now I'm overdue for winning. Homies I ain't seen in a while, trapped up in the prison. And when they come home, the crackers trap them in the system. Most times it's not until you make it that they see your vision. Dirty game.
X-ray.